updating your payment information on Epic Games is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payment information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment or Payment Method section. Click on it to view your current payment information. Step 4. Update payment information. Here, you can add a new payment method or edit existing ones. Enter the required details, such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address, then save your changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to review the changes and confirm that everything is correct. You may receive a confirmation email once the update is successful. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Epic Games. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.